Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time! It's time for the lightning round! And then the lightning rounds are you ready? Ski dad! Time for the lightning round, because I'm going to start with Cat A in California, or Cade. Cade.
Yep, Cade. How are you?
What's going on?
You there?
More than ever.
So with the continued trend of secondhand apparel and retailers running low on stock, are you a long-term buyer of the RealReal after last week's?
No. As a matter of fact, I am I want to take all these places that do clothes, let me throw it in Rent the Runway, and start thinking, you know what, we got too many of these guys. I just really feel that way. So I'm going to say no to RealReal. Even though my wife did the thing. Let's go to Devin in New York, please, Devin.
Hey, Cramer, booyah.
Booyah. Booyah, what's up?
My question is about MindMed, ticker MNMD.
Psychedelic drugs. I thought it had a future, but right now it looks like the past. I am a believer that this is a great spec, okay? $2 spec. You can do that, but remember, stocks can go to zero. Let's go to Jeff in Big Missouri. Jeff!
Jim, I'm calling about the buy now, pay later company that just inked a huge deal with Apple. I'm calling about Affirm Holdings.
Look, I think Max Levchin is the pioneer in this group. I think if the stock doesn't get higher, he'll sell the darn thing. I like him. I like Affirm. I'm a buyer. Now we're going to go to Alicia in Massachusetts. Alicia.
Hi, Jim. I love your show.
Oh, thank you.
About FICO. Why has the share price dropped over $100 since July 23rd, and is now a good time to buy it on the dip?
We now have competitors to Fair Isaac, and I think that that's a problem. There's other companies that are coming into the business, and they've got a better way to do loans, including, yes, Upstart. So I am not a fan of FICO, Fair Isaac. Let's go to Kathy in Washington. Kathy.
Yes. This is Jim.
Yes. You bet it's Jim, more than ever.
Okay, I'm a fan of UpWORK. I'm an owner of UpWORK, and they've been going down for the last week or two.
Right.
I'm wondering if this is a good time to stay invested.
Kathy, I actually covered this kind of stock at the top of our show. You'll hear it tonight. And this is really important. This happens to be exactly, it went out of favor about 2 weeks ago, but Hayden Brown does not go out of favor. She's extraordinarily good, so I think you should hold it for the long term. I'm going to go to Jared in Washington. Jared!
Capital, booyah to the Gandhi of the guy.
I always love a good capital booyah. Haven't had one lately. What's going on?
Jim, wanted to get your thoughts on Jonathan Rothberg's Butterfly Network.
You know, when I first heard about this, I happened to be with a doctor who loves the product, and I thought it could be a hit. But you know what? It's just another one of those companies that came at a time when there's too many companies. So I'm going to have to say you just got to wait till people finish selling. And I don't know when that is, but it's certainly not here. Now let's go to Waz in Colorado. Waz!
Mr. Cramer.
Yes.
Dish signed billions in contracts for their 5G build. Do you see Ergen use his SPAC, DONX, for deals with other companies to finance the 5G build?
Charlie, I've got Charlie Ergen runs that Ways, and I got to tell you, Ways, sorry. He is so smart, I would never bet against the guy, even though I can't see a single reason to own the stock other than the fact that Charlie Ergen runs it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.